Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. To me, it's a pleasure to talk about an amazing and beautiful place. This is a magic town in the El Salvador country. It's the beautiful place that you can visit, and it's called El Tunco Beach. And in the Tunco Beach, we have different activities that we can do. One of those are like we have the Surf City. That's a beautiful place that also outside our country is known due to the Surface Championship that has been organized by our president. That he has been like giving to you guys different views that we can have. If if you know how to surf, you win the competition because you can come to visit the Tunco Beach and also you can come to compete it. We have a different places. You can enjoy the beautiful sunset. We're gonna have as well a roller coaster. In this moment is in process to be built. If you visit the surf city, you will enjoy the landscape. As you know, in the beach you can find a beautiful peak that has been created by the rocks, and also the landscape that you can see in the video as well. Right, it's an amazing place to visit. If the surfers fell from their surfboard, they will get injured because, as you know, that's a dangerous sport that not everybody is able to practice. But if you want to learn it how to surf, you will need to like dedicate a lot of time. If you have learned how to surf, you will have won the championship. That, as you know, this the surf city is the place where from different countries come to like participate in the championship. In case you visit the Tunco Beach, you are going to be able to know and meet a lot of people from different countries and different cultures. And also in the Tunco Beach, we have different places where you can rest. We have different hotels. Already I will show you some of the most beautiful places, the most beautiful hotels where you can rest. The first one that I have, it is the Hotel Tunco Lodge. We have a different price, an affordable price, since $74 per night. The price can change. It may be different, and also it has free Wi-Fi. As you know, that's important to us to be sharing different like post with our friends and family. And also we have the Boca Olas Resort. A price since 993. It has jacuzzi and free Wi-Fi. That's amazing because if you book online, you save time. That's important for all of us to be saving time, right? And also, if you had missed your family call, you will have been notified for the hotel. That's amazing. They are gonna be taking care of you. If you have needed internet to your classes, you will have access in the hotel. That's amazing because they provide you different resources to be always ready, right? Because it's gonna have free Wi-Fi. And the other places to enjoy, we have the discotheque places because you will be like looking a place to have fun. We have the Long Beach Bar Karaoke in the Tunco Beach, and also the Bonita Beach Club Tunco and the Blue Bar. That's a beautiful places where you can go. If you pay with Bitcoin, you will get an amazing discount. And also, if you have dance in the discotheque, you will have one a beer bucket. That they have a different games where you can participate. The discotheque is open if you visit the Tunco Beach on weekends. And the other one is the restaurant when you can enjoy the food. We have the Bocana restaurant, the Bao House, and Loroco Bistro. If the restaurant is closed, you will order by Ugo app. That's a great option we have already, right? The delivery food. If you pay by credit or debit card, you will buy everywhere in the Tunco Beach. If you have eaten seafood in the restaurant, you will have loved it because that's amazing food that you can taste it. Well, that's a beautiful place that I have for you guys, and that's everything. Have a wonderful day.